Today guys, I'm going to show y'all how we pack our products. Typically, our products will have one or two flimsy things, so I just want to give y'all an idea of how we do it and how we protect your products and try to keep them as safe as possible in the shipping process. So, most orders will have at least a few items like this where you have fragile pieces that are prone to breaking if you put pressure on it. What we do is, typically we take the biggest piece of the order that is sturdy and whatnot, put it under the fragile product, and that way, when you do it like that, all these fragile pieces that are prone to breaking are now sturdy, so if there was pressure put on them, they should not break at all. We then take another sturdy piece like this and we put it on top of that. That also gives it a second layer of support, so either way it gets pushed, it should not break at all. So that's the basic breakdown of how we pack. I'm now going to pack this whole order and let y'all see roughly how we do our packing. Now it varies between different products and what's packed, but this is the general synopsis of how it is done.
Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see us pack any more, let us know in the comments. Also, if you have an order number, drop it in the comments and we'll make sure to try to make a video at it. Thank you.